Have you ever looked at a web map and thought, why does this look so clean and mine doesn't? The difference usually isn't the data, it's the styling. In this video, I'll show you how to create advanced thematic maps in GeoServer using SLD with categorized roads, custom line widths, dashed patterns, and smart labels that only appear when you zoom in. In this tutorial, we create advanced SLD thematic styles using common layers like roads and types of roads. So let's get into it. Now, when you are in GeoServer, you can go to Workspace and create a new workspace. You can name it here, the namespace here, and then I will save it. After I have saved that, I'll go to Stores and add a new store again. And because I want to display roads file, that will be a vector shapefile. Let me select shapefile here, select the workspace that I want to upload it in, for today name it roads, and then select the location over here that where my file is located. Once that is done and I have saved that store, I'll go to Styles and I'm going to add a new style here. And I will name it a road style here. I'll select the workspace of New and Format of SLD. Now, over here, as you can see, I have used categorical styling for this roads based on its different line colors and widths. So, for example, for the tertiary, loads the classification of tertiary. The color of the roads will be shown by the color yellow and stroke width of 2.5. For residential roads, color blue and stroke width of 1.6. And then the track rows, it could be a dashed road of 5 and 3 gaps and then 1.4 width. The color would be brown for that. And the rank size of 5 would be shown from light gray and default color for other values. And that's not it. After that, we will also be labeling the roads. So, now I have also presented the code of labeling, under the classification coloring code, and I specified the radius and the font family, font size, font weight, zoom size also over here. That allows us to produce labels on the roads, lines, later on. After I have saved that, I'm going to go back to layers. I'm going to add new layer here. I'm going to choose new layer from my new workspace. And I'm going to click publish here. But I've already published that. I'm going to publish this again now. And set the bounding boxes. The default ones. And then I go to publishing. And here in the styling, the default style, I'll choose new road style, and as you can see, all the classification is already done for us. So, I'll select that, and then I'll save that. And once all classification is done and styles have been applied, I can preview this layer. I'm going to publish it on layers. If you take some time to generate, as it's a big file. Now once it's done, and this is what it basically looks, the classified roads. And if you try and zoom in, it will also show the labels of the rules here, as you can see. So that is basically how you use advanced styling using SLD in GeoServer. I've applied here for line day, but you can also apply for point and polygon data as well. And add labels for them too, like I have done over here. The labels will improve readability and interpretability of the rules. So this here is our thematic map, and it's now complete, showing categorized features. Here's the key takeaway. SLD is not about decoration. It's about communication. With SLD, you can categorize features by attributes, control width, color, and patterns, apply labels intelligently, and scale styles across zoom levels. You don't need population data or land use layers to build thematic maps. Even roads, schools, and parks can become powerful thematic layers when styled correctly. Always preview your styles before publishing them as WMS services. If this video helped you understand advanced SLD styling, give it a like so more GIS learners can find it. Subscribe for more GeoServer, SLD, PostGIS, and WebGIS tutorials. In the next video, we'll cover full guide, WMS versus WFS versus WCS.